Let me show you how to sign out of your iCloud account on your iPhone. Now, if you want to be able to sign out and maybe erase all the data or keep it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we can do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. So let's get into the Settings app. And you can see at the very top is your Apple account, iCloud Plus, etc. So let's tap on your name. Now from here, you can see your Apple account, which is the same as your iCloud account. They're all linked to one account. All we need to do is scroll down to the bottom and you can see sign out. Now, if that is grayed out, all you need to do is go to your screen time on your iPhone and make sure to turn off content and privacy restrictions. After you've done that, let's hit the sign out button and it says erase this iPhone after signing out. But in this case, I want to keep it with all of the data. So I'm going to hit sign out, but don't erase. And it says to make signing in back faster, most of the data will remain on the iPhone. Anyone with access will be able to get your health passwords, etc. So let's just hit continue. Now, it does say these items will be removed. It says your Apple account, of course, will be signed out. Find My will be deactivated, and anything in your wallet, all of your credit cards and debit cards, will be removed. Now, let's just hit continue here. And the last step is to just enter in that password for your Apple ID or iCloud account. So enter in that password, and from here, just hit the confirm and sign out, and you'll be good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It's the best way you can say thank you. Thank you.